Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, where even doing laundry can feel like a magical part of your stay. Whether you're here on a long adventure or just need to freshen up your little one's clothes, Disney's laundry facilities make it easy and even a little fun. At Jambo House, you'll find 2 guest laundry rooms, one on the first floor on the zebra trail and the other on the second floor on the kudu trail. Both are just a short stroll from the lobby, and along the way, you might even catch a glimpse of giraffes or zebras roaming the savanna. To access the laundry room, just tap your MagicBand room key or use the My Disney Experience app. Once inside, you'll notice everything is modern, clean, and really easy to use. Each machine has a QR code or a tap-to-pay sensor. So you've got 2 options. You can scan the code and pay right from your phone's browser, or even better, download the CSC GO app for a smoother experience. Once the app is downloaded, just create a quick account and you're all set. Open the app, tap your phone near the code, and the app will instantly recognize the machine you're using. From there, choose your wash type, see the price, and complete your payment using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or via credit or debit card. Now, you start your wash. And here's the best part, the app will send you a notification when your laundry is done, so you're free to enjoy your resort time without constantly checking the clock. Now you can go grab a snack or relax by the pool. And when it's time, just repeat the process for the dryers. It's the same payment method, and again, you'll get a handy notification when it's finished. Right, and that same app is used across every resort?
Every Disney resort.
Including cruises?
No.
Right.
No, that charged you.
Room, okay. So, laundry day doesn't have to be a chore, especially at a place where even the smallest details are filled with magic. At Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, convenience and wonder go hand in hand, even when you're washing your socks. For more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when we make another upload.